So I'm replacing the cord on this wonderful Hitachi, well, circular saw, and basically you just take out this single piece of the hand grip and then expose all the wiring, which means I'll have to get that wiring back in, which is a little bit of a task, I would say. So to keep everything in place, I've put a tie rib right there. And as you can see, it's light blue and brown. That is, well, on the cable that has to be replaced. So they are positioned like this. So it's ready to be reassembled. Unfortunately, I had to spin around the cable retention device because otherwise it would stick out too much, because, well, the neoprene cable is much thicker than this one. And, well, it's properly in there, trust me, but still, you know, you want things to be reassembled properly. However, this piece wouldn't fit on there with that white piece sticking out too much, so this is a compromise. Oh well. So this is Nikita saying it is reassembled. I've tested it and I'm quite content. It's a nice unit, and this €10, well, neoprene cord is a little bit heavy, but it is flexible, apparently more than PVC. Yeah, I have to agree with that. So that's nice. And well, I'll give you a quick little demonstration, but for that I need to plug in first, right? Because it is, well, let's see, where is the plug? It's a quite long cord, but this is the plug, and I am going to demonstrate it quite quickly for you. Right. So keep both hands on the device, ensure it is all locked up properly, right? There's a little bit of a, well, I won't cut into the table because I've lifted off quite high above the foot. So here we go. That works quite nicely. €10 cord, €10 device, well, €10 Hitachi circular saw, a demonstration model that was on special offer. This is Nikita saying I'm quite happy, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Let's unplug this thing before I forget to do that. That would be very dangerous. It's unplugged. We're safe.